enjoy the process. It may be a struggle, but I don't mind. I never take shortcuts.
Don't mind the loud birds. They're incredibly loud as always. I can't do nothing about it because this is my work area, people. But anyways, I'm doing majority of the sanding, bondoing right now. So it's more like the boring stuff, I would want to say. It's not like the fun stuff. It's not interesting. It's literally just me sanding. Applying filler where it needs to be. Actually, let me close my cap. But you don't want to use actual Bondo. You want to use stuff like this, Putty Flex. This is meant for like bumpers and whatnot to kind of give it a little bit of flex. Last time you guys saw me sanding all this down. So now I'm applying the filler on it. I'm going to let that dry. The sun is actually bright today. It's gonna be 100, so I don't think I'm gonna be out here all day sanding. But yesterday I already did the front bumper. As you guys can see, I actually threw some white primer on it. And if you wanna look at it, remember that gouge right here? It's gone. I just gotta go back there and sand it, make it maybe like 220, 320, and then wet sand it before I send it off to paint. We still have to fix right here and right here. Throw some little bit of filler on it. Maybe right here as well before that gets sent off to paint. But you guys can see the rear bumper still has a lot more to, we have a lot more to do, like right here, all this right here, and actually one of my tabs didn't hold on really well. I think it's, no, it's the other one. This one didn't hold too well. So I'm gonna come back here and plastic weld that more. And I have to fix this right here. You guys can see it's kind of lopping down more than from over there. So I had to squeeze it in, maybe use the heat gun and just melt it together, which is really sad. Ay, ay, ay. But I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but I did the rear shocks and the fronts. I didn't really record it because it was early in the morning and I actually forgot to record, but I installed the front struts off camera. It's really not too hard. So I installed those off camera. Sorry about that, guys. With that being said, I'm just gonna keep going at this. It's not really gonna be anything fun, so whatever.